how are you? We're going to run through Galway Girl today, so let's start with our intro. That's a mandolin. This is not a mandolin, it's a guitar. But we can kind of capture the vibe of that by playing 0, 7, 10, 10. It's basically a D5, a fancy D5. So you go 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and okay, so you get this. Okay. Then we're going to kick off the verse. Now, the verse is mostly in 4/4, but there are a few different moments when it goes into bars of 3/4. First up, this is how it sounds. Okay, those chords, all pretty straightforward chords, D major. So same thing, we're going to try this 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a G. Okay, and then we've got B minor, beats of B minor, A, G, D major. So B minor, A, G, D. D with an F sharp bass, A, D, G. Okay, now on my chart what I've done is I have put, when we hit that G, just to kind of bring it around a bit and pull it out of the dung chugga. Okay, so second line is almost the same, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a. Okay, so here this is where the bars of 3 come in. We've got D on the 4G and then D, 1 bar of D, and then a bar of 3. So those chords in the 3 bar are B minor, A, G, and then the bar of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 E and A. Okay. Then the final bar before the first instrumental is almost exactly the same. We've got a bar of D to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba-dum-ba-dum. Okay, so that was the verse. Here's the first instrumental. It's basically 4 bars long, and then it returns to the beginning of the verse. So we've got D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor, A, G, D, A, A7, D. Okay, pretty straightforward, right? Same sorts of chords, just the ending, the turnaround section there, A, A7 and D. So that's D, G, 1, 2, D, 3, 4. B minor, A, G, D, A, A7, just take your second finger away, D. When we finish the verse singing part for the second time, it plays the instrumental and basically repeats the instrumental 1 line twice. And then when we get to bars 9 to 12 of the second instrumental, we get some different chords. We've got G. So those chords were G, bar of G, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, D, then A, then that 4, B, A, G, D, A, A7, D. and then we run back into the verse again, the singing part, and we play all of that. And at the very end, we're going to go into a third instrumental which repeats until the fade. Okay, so it's basically the same as what we've had in every single instrumental. And that is the end of the song. Check out this video on Copperhead Road next. There it is. See you later. Bye for now.